Well, I made it officially a month in a home of my own at the moment. Yeah, I'm speaking more from anxiety and fear. But I do have faith. I also have anxiety and fear. I haven't had a home of my own in a few years. But today is also the 14th year anniversary when I left St. Louis. Started out in my car in Oakland Park, Kansas, and I took a chance. I left with $5 in cash, $5.36 exactly on my debit card, with a T-Mobile Sidekick that was off, but there it was working. And I googled how to live out your car, and I followed direction. And I was able to get a job within 3 days, a check within a week, a motel room with that check, and within 3 weeks I had a full-time job in an apartment. And, oh my God, I'm tired. So, yes, I'm growing my hair back out. I shaved my beard and my hair off my head about 2 weeks ago. It was symbolic of me letting go, whether it's facing insecurities, letting go of the past, which is a process. Tired, looking to incorporate some new things for the month of April, juicing. More consistently with smoothies, more consistent with exercise and eating healthy, which I've been doing a lot better, especially since I've been at home my own and I've been able to meal prep. Obviously, every once in a while, I overindulge. Like when I overindulge, it don't just be for a day. It go for like 3, 4, 5, 6 days straight. So the weight that I lost, I gained it back. I lost like 5 pounds, gained like 6 or 7 back. Oh my God, my body's so sore. Sorry. I still gotta work to get me like a regular bed, one of this air mattress. I thank God for keeping me. Early this week, I was freaking out. You know, I miss my children. All my bills are due around the same time, like other people, but I've been off the radar and renting vehicles and rooms and stuff for such a while. Even though what I'm paying is lower than it was when I was living in rental circumstances. And, excuse me. But today, I still finished folding my clothes. Then they give me some hangers. I'm not really purchasing no new clothes until I reach my weight loss goal of 180. Right now, I'm well over 200 pounds. Well over 200 pounds. I'm tired. Oh, we're tired. Y'all be blessed.